How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be doing ginger and scallion crab noodles. A very popular dish in China. It can be used with crab, lobsters, some people even use prawns. So what we have here is 3 blue swimmer crabs. You can use other crabs, but this is all we could get today. Some egg noodles, half a kilo there, boiled for 20 seconds and then washed in cold water. Ginger, paste, scallions, sugar, pepper, salt, and a little bit of cornstarch. Let's do this. What we're doing here is just covering our crab with cornstarch. Make sure every piece is covered. We're just going to fry off those pieces of crab. Pretty quick, once they're orange, they're ready. Just going to put our ginger in first, spring onion, crab, and start stir frying these flavors together. Now we're going to add in some chicken stock. And to thicken this stock up, we're going to need to add in some cornstarch. The cornstarch, see, as you can see, that soup is slowly turning into a lot thicker. This will be that amazing juice that goes over the noodles. Now that it's bubbling, we're going to add in a little bit of sugar, pepper, salt, and it's good to go. Putting the crab on the noodles. There you go, Bob's your uncle. We're just going to do a bit of a taste test quickly. Grab some noodles, grab a piece of crab. Yum, that's the noodles and the flavour that I grew up with every Chinese New Year, actually every month. I think they're the best part of the dish. Very well cooked crab meat, soft, you can just suck it straight out. Very nice. Guys, happy Chinese New Year. It's actually Chinese New Year here today in Australia. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.